The Neotel Call Center Software is designed to improve the productivity of your business thanks to its easy operation. It does not require installation by the client or any initial investment. Only one cost per position, including flat calling rate, applies. Just as there is no contract of permanence that you have to sign. It is a simple software for the user. Both the agent and the coordinator access the system with their name and password through an intuitive web panel. We put at your disposal several types of launchers: progressive, predictive, and robot call, as well as different modules to help with the management of your call center. Agent lead sheet on the web, script, statistical module to measure productivity, synchronization with Google Calendar, monitoring facilities, Whisper and Spy. Increase the talk time of your agents with our software. Installed and maintained by Neotel.